Hey everybody, I don't know why I got this, but I got Happy Mail from SparklingChar. And it says, do not bend and handle with care. And I'm wondering, what? Char? Why? Oh my God. Okay. Do not bend, handle with care. Cut it fast, Char, cut it fast. I had no idea this was coming. No idea. I'm speechless. Nice sparkle you got there. Surprise! You're kidding me! Char! Oh my God, I love you! Oh my goodness. I really do love you. I love you more than you can ever imagine. She hauled this about a week ago. And I wanted this so badly. Oh my Lord. This says me. When they made this, I swear they had me in mind. I'm going to start using it tonight. In fact, this here is going right here. Watch this, everybody. Watch this. Char, I can't believe it. I am so stinking so happy. I can't believe this. Oh my Lord. Look at this. I'm putting it this way so those hearts stay. Get my bone folder out. Sure. Today is the 4th. June 4th, 2018. This way I know when she sent this to me. Handcrafted by Donna. Powered by creativity. And then you know what? Where'd it go? I'm using my new washi tape. And this came from Amy. So I got Happy Mail today from Char. The other day from Amy. And this all makes me extremely happy. And Linda, I know you're watching. Look at this. Linda says this is how you do it. This is so stinking cute. I am in love. Let's go. Create list, love it. All right, I'm gonna work on this. Char, I love you, sweetie. Thank you so much. Happy Mail from my sweet BFF, SparklingChar. You'll be one of my best friends forever. I am in love with this. And look at the cute little clip so that I could put my pen right there. Look at that. I love this. I love this, love this. Mwah! All right, everybody. If you don't know who SparklingChar is, go look her up. She'll make you smile. I promise you that. All right, everybody, have a great night. Bye.